Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting power and giving the Xbox time to discharge. This clears transient faults. Once unplugged for 5 minutes, examine the cables and ports for damage and reseat them so connectors make firm contact. Remove any USB storage or peripherals to rule out external corruption. Do this now so you're not chasing peripheral failures later. After reconnecting power, watch the dashboard or lights closely to confirm the console boots to the home screen before moving on. You now run diagnostics and targeted fixes because many errors stem from corrupt cache, profiles, or firmware. Once in settings, clear the cache and remove any profile that won't sign in. Corrupted profiles can block boot. Make sure the hard drive is seated correctly, power down and press the release latch, then reattach to ensure contact. If networking is unreliable, download the official offline update and apply via USB to repair firmware without relying on Xbox Live. You finish by restoring stable software and confirming hardware integrity. Start with a soft factory reset that preserves games and apps that often fixes system dashboard corruption while keeping your content. Once reset, retest the console with only power and HDMI connected to verify consistent boot behavior. Note any error codes or light patterns. If the error continues or you see red ring symptoms, try a different power brick or gather error details and contact Xbox support so they can advise repair or replacement options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.